Oh, not the one I like. Hey, hi, I'm Fat Papa. McDonald's kids meal. A lot of people know about it, and they always come with the toy. But if the toy is not what you like, what to do? Buy more? Let me give you some tips. Let us begin. Hi, I'm Fat Papa. If this is your first time watching my video, I always give the cooking recipe, unboxing, the new product or food, and then do the food review. If you still not subscribe my channel, just give me a like, subscribe my channel, click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. Okay, so today you look at the topic, you may think about McDonald's toy. Nothing special. Special for me. A lot of the fast food they have, like you buy the kids meal, like they will have a little toy in there. A lot of them are pretty good. Really focus on the kids toy, on the kids menu. I would say McDonald's do really a good job on those. They really always cross over with a lot of the brand like Hello Kitty, Disney, Pikachu, or like a lot different. Why I talk about this? Because this month they have one special toy series. I'm a die-hard fan. What is that? Let me show. The princess? No, but I will talk about it. My die-hard fans on Star Wars toys. So I didn't get the full list. I know that a lot of people doing the unboxing, they already have the whole set. In my area, so far I have these 3. When I take this video, and then next week they will have more, and I will try to get it. You might have the same experience as me. When you buy the kids meal, you will randomly probably get one of it, but maybe that one is not your favorite. This time the first one I got is this one. But really my favorite is the X-Wing, or that law is good too. I keep buying more kids meal. You can, but if you cannot finish the food, is that a waste? I'm not talking about money, I'm talking about the food. I think it's not a good example as a parent like me. I buy a lot of them and I cannot finish it and I just want the toy. So I think this is pretty good like McDonald's doing. You can buy the toy only. When I go there, I always buy a kids meal, so see my luck. Then I will ask them, do they have extra? And then I buy. So most of the McDonald's shop, they will be okay. And each of them is $2 plus tax in my area. So I will ask them like give me one of each like they have. And then I will be my collection. I don't usually do that except something really good and get my attention. I want to collect it. Let's say Star Wars, or before they have the one, it's all the old McDonald's own brand toy, and then that time I get each of them as my collection. So this time they have the Star Wars, and they really not just a toy and then like nothing to do or a plastic. This time they really did some work and then some detail on the toy, so you can see like they are not bad at all. And you can put in those like card inside, and then you roll it, and then you will come out. So it is a pretty good one. Like for the kid, they can play around and they won't hurt themselves. It's just like a cardboard. And then detailing is, at least for me, I would like to make a video talk about them. Like if you are same as me as a Star Wars diehard fans, I would recommend to get a collection of those. And then this week they have another one I think is pretty good. At least my daughter loves it. So they have like all the Disneyland princess or the main character on the Snow White, and then they are really detailed. You can see it's not like cheap toy. So for my daughter, like she always try to toy shop and then look for the toy. But even though this kind of small toy probably in a bag or box and then like you just randomly get it, those will cost you from $7-8 up. And this is Disney. It's collectible, and then it's come with the kids meal under $6. I will really recommend, as my daughter loves both of them. So after I finish the video, I will need to give her back. She's waiting. So yeah, I still get one of each for as collection. I think this is pretty, but those as my collection, I won't open the bag. I will just keep it as original. This is I already opened. This is for my kids and my son. And then for myself, I put it. And then this is for my daughter. So I use those two for the video. So if next time you find some of the character or toy you like, and you cannot finish that many kids meal, probably you can ask the store, see they sell it separately. If $2 for each, I think it's better than you buy 5-6 meal. And also, you buy this meal doesn't mean you will get it. Sometimes you might get the same one. I did that before when I was still young, and then that time my wife wanted the Hello Kitty. At that time I eat the whole week McDonald. Every time kids meal, and then wow, I have a lot of the same one. So I hope this video will give you some information. Next time probably maybe you can think about not getting the food, not only saving the money and saving the food too. And then you can get the toy and then get the one you like. If you are a Star Wars fans, yeah, I will really recommend. Or you are Disney fans, yeah, leave in the comment, let me know which Star Wars character you like or which character on the Disney characters you like. I hope to see you on my next video. Remember, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.